Hey, Hawkberg, you ready for breakfast? You ready? Hold on, I got it for you right here. Hold on. And don't grab my hand when you come on by. See, I got it right here. I got it right here. You want it? You coming? Here he comes. Hope you don't grab my head. Come on. Come on. You coming? Come on right here. I got it right here for you. Come on. Don't grab my hand either. Don't grab my hand right there. Come on. You coming? Come on. Hawkberg, come on. You coming? Come on. Woodpecker, hold on. Dang. He just took the whole stick out of my hand that time. I'm talking about, I could feel him. He had force on him that time. He was strong. I'm talking about, he about pulled me out of the ground right here. He was so, man, that was strong. Yeah, he about pulled me up off the ground. I wasn't really ready for him, but alright, now the Hawkbird there. He stole my stick that time. I couldn't hold the stick, he took it out of my hand. Stop this video.